Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back for the speed event series. We're another round in Albany, the Albany Wind Farm Hill Climb. Let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. A couple of things. We've finally got a race suit, so more safety. Had to do that. And plus, you know, doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we've got that. And as for changes for the car, we ended up buying another set of rims. So this is my full set of race rims now, and we are running the full semi-slicks. Got Nitto NTO5s on the front and the Kendo K20As on the back. So we'll see how we go. The track is this hill here. It goes up there to our wind farm, if you can see that in the distance. But yeah, we'll have to do scrutineering, driver briefing, and then we can get into it. Alrighty, we're lined up for a sighting lap. We'll head up there, check it out, then we get one practice, and then we get 3 or 4 goes at this, so should be fun. Alright guys, it's the first run up. First time run. It's sprinkled a little bit, so the track's sort of damp-ish. So we'll see how we go. I definitely felt the difference between $90 street tyres and the semi-slicks we got on. So hopefully I can keep the heat in them, and we can have a good go. Keep it on the track. Don't crash it. It's the main thing. Let's get into it. Something happened already. Alright, we're back on. There was a problem with the track. It's sort of grim because it's taken all the heat out of the tyres and it's drizzled a little bit since then, so we'll see how we go. We'll just try and get a lap. We'll get a time on the board and we'll go from there. Definitely not full grip here. Hopefully the track dries out a bit. But we made it. We kept it on the track. Got a bit loose up there. So we're good to go. Alright guys, I've been trying to get in-car film for you guys, but it's not happening, so we're just going to have to stick with the GoPro. So enjoy guys. Next one, I'll try better. Alright, we're back on boys. We'll go for a second run. Now that we got a feel for it. Oh, fuel surging already. surged already. Oh well, guess we'll chuck some more fuel in it. We've got some fuel in. Didn't miss a third run, but the camera didn't film the last run for whatever reason, at least the in-car. We did improve our time. There's a little bit of sun, so I'm not sure if this is the last crack, or at least the last crack that counts, but we'll see if we can get a better time. The track's still wet. It is what it is. That is cool right at the end there, not gonna lie. No fuel surge that time. That last bit's a rush, you're really hooking there. Alright, a couple more runs to go, max. Let's see if we can keep it on the track. That bit. Yeah, I think this is like what, run number 5? 4 or 5. Now, if the afternoon session guys only get 3 runs in, it's only our first 3 that count. If they get 5, they pick your best from all 5. So the fastest of the first 3 will definitely count no matter what. It's just whether these quicker ones actually get counted for or not, depending on how the arvo goes. Either way, we're going to just keep trying to have some fun, keep improving the time. Now, will this be the last run? I don't know. There might be another one after this. We've improved every single time. Cars in one piece. But out of interest, guys, you know, right at the end there, we're almost at like 200 k's an hour coming over that hill and through a little roller coaster bit. That is some serious fun when you're driving. Starting to get loose there. You can't have much more fun than that without taking your pants off. And look at that, just as the rain's coming in. I think they're going to do one more run, but I'm not gonna. Look at this, standing water, semi-slicks, probably not the smartest idea. There's only one more run to go. We just got our PB on the last one, so we'll have to leave it at that. Alright guys, we're back home. They kick us out the morning session with all the afternoon people come in. After the morning session, I ended up second overall out of the whole of the morning people and first in class, but we've got a few of our competitors in the afternoon class, so we have to wait for the results. But definitely happy with how she went today. Like those tyres, even in the damp wet, did do way better than the street tyres we were working with before. So there were some cars that I didn't think we should beat, but we beat, so pretty happy with that. So we're going to wait for the results and see what happens this afternoon, and we'll see how we went. Alright guys, it's the next day, waiting for the results to come in, and we did it. We've taken out our first class win for the season. And not only that, we end up finishing in our first overall top 10, so we can't complain about the results from that one. But it's been a bit of a rough week, as you guys know. One of you guys asked if my dog was alright in the last video, and unfortunately I told you he was on his ass legs, and earlier on this week, on Monday, he passed on, and it's been a pretty rough week. So if I have to dedicate this win to anyone, it's my old mate King. He was running around in videos. You guys who've been watching for a while would have seen him. He was that black dog, and he'd be barking on my intros and ruining half my videos when I'm trying to film them, but I loved it all the same. So that one's for him, and miss you, bud. And until the next one, guys, see you later.